Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Halloween look for you guys. I'm going to be doing a deer. Now, through the month of October and through September, I will be posting here and there different Halloween looks that you can do. So stay tuned for that. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Now let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is just apply your regular makeup. Now I already have a face of makeup on. It's kind of faded. I've been running around the house doing chores and playing with my son, and I'm just a little sweaty, so it's kind of faded off a little bit. But just kind of start with the base. I don't have much going on with my eyes. I don't even have any eyeshadow on. I just put some concealer and mascara, and that's all I'm wearing right now. So what you're first going to do is you're going to take your concealer. Now, you want to use the lightest concealer you can, or you can even just use like a white crayon pencil thing, something that's going to be able to blend out really easily. I'm using my Maybelline Superstay concealer because this is actually pretty light for me. So I'm first going to go with this, and I'm just going to kind of dot this on my cheeks and kind of bring it down, because we're wanting to kind of really highlight the center of the face. I go down the nose, forehead, and a little bit on the chin, and on the cupid's bow too. Now I'm going to then take my beauty blender, and then I'm just going to kind of blend in this area. And sorry if I keep like doing that. My throat is like really sore right now, and I've been drinking tea and taking cough drops trying to get it cleared, but it's not really doing much for me today so far. Now I'm going to take a little bit more and put it like on my nose, because I'm still getting a little red showing through. My nose is the hardest place to keep makeup to stay on. I don't know why, but like it just doesn't like to stay on my nose, especially when I'm putting it on. Like I look at my face, I'm like, oh, like my nose, I look like Rudolph, because there's just so much red there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my bronzer. I'm going to go into my bronzer, and I'm going to start to really bring attention to the sides of the face. The whole point is that you really want to like highlight the center of the face, make it look like really light and almost white, and then like darken the borders of your face. All right, with a smaller brush now, I'm going to go back into that bronzer, and I'm going to do my nose. Make the lines noticeable on your nose. Okay. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go on to creating the dots, the freckles, whatever you want to call them, on the deer. So I'm using my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. The other products that I was using as well, I probably should tell you what I use. I use my L'Oreal True Match bronzer, along with, I told you that I use the Superstay concealer, and that's about it. So we're gonna go in with this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use this and start creating dots. So I'm gonna kind of follow the bronze, to kind of stay in that area. Then I'm just gonna start to create. There's a squirrel outside my window. That scared me for a minute. I didn't really know what it was. And you don't want to be really like be precise of a pattern. You're just gonna dot it where you think it might be. I'm gonna put one down here, and then just kind of going up the edge of the forehead. Okay, and then you're gonna do the other side. So then what I'm gonna do, because those dots on my face are kind of really like harsh. If you are looking at like me in person, they are a little harsh. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna take some powder. Doesn't really matter what you're using. I'm using my e.l.f. blotting powder for this. And then I'm just going to take a brush, just as long as it's clean, so you're not gonna get like a dark cast on it or whatever. And I'm just gonna kind of start to kind of blend just a little bit on those dots just to kind of soften them up. Softening them up really makes them look part of your skin. Now, I know a lot of people like to look scary for Halloween. I'm not one of those people, but I'm going to try my best to come up with some scary looks for you guys to share with you. Just personally for me, that's not my usual taste. So, but for you guys, I will try my very best to find something that will fit your guys's needs, I guess, wants. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Maybelline Gel Liner Eye Studio in black. I'm going to take a really thin, very small angled pencil brush. And I'm just going to start to line my eyes with this. I'm going to try to make sure that you guys can see what I'm doing here. Now with this part, you guys can get as creative as you want. You can make like a thicker line and kind of wing it out. Whatever you want to do. I'm not huge into thick eyeliner or wings, so I'm just going to fill it in as much as I want. Now what I'm going to do is I'm kind of bring it into the inner corner as best as I can. I'm not that good at this, so. Okay, that's the best I'm probably gonna do, and I'm just gonna stop there because I don't want to mess it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye really quick, and I'll be right back. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna take the little eyeliner thing again, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of line my lower waterline. I'm gonna go back into that eyeliner now, and I'm going to make my nose. So this is kind of what brings everything together. So I'm going to first start in the middle and make like a dot. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect everything. So there's that. Oops. There's that. So, and then I'm going to just bring it all the way down my nose. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the line from my nose down to my lips. The easiest part of this whole thing. The next thing you want to do, and this is optional, you can continue to use the eyeliner if you want, but I actually am going to use a black lipstick. This is from Wet n Wild. This is just their liquid catsuit matte lip. So I'm just going to put this on my top lip, not your bottom, but just your top. Okay, you want to try your very hardest while this is drying for your bottom and your top lip not to touch. I still have a little bit of lipstick already on my bottom lip. So you just want to wait till it dries. Okay, so now that my lipstick is pretty much dry, I'm going to go back in with that gel liner just because I can tell from the lipstick and like the, I don't even know, what do you call this part? Anyway, it does look a little bit lighter and has a little bit of choppiness to it. You can see my skin through it. So I'm just going to apply more just to darken it a little bit. To just add a little funness to it, I'm going to take my Summer McKeen lip gloss in the shade Sunkissed, and I'm going to apply it to my entire lip. Alright, so now I'm going to take my eyebrow pencil and kind of fill my eyebrows in a little bit more, just so it matches the rest of my face, because I have a lot of dark colors on my face, so my eyebrows don't really match. So I'm going to quickly do my eyebrows. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my highlighter. Alright, so this highlighter is from Physicians Formula. This is just their butter highlighter. So I'm actually just going to go with my finger with this one. And I'm going to go straight down the nose. Now I'm going to take my fan brush and I'm going to go onto the high points of my face. So I'm going to go here, go here, go there on the high points of my eyes as well. Now what I'm going to do, which I should have already probably done this before I did the eyeliner, but that's okay. I am actually going to go into my bronzer and take an eyeshadow brush and just swirl that around a little bit. And I'm just going to quickly fill in the my eyelid here a little bit, just to give them a little bit of dimension. Kind of connect it to that nose line. Alright, so for hair, because I do have a little hair tutorial for you guys. First, what you're going to do is you're going to split your hair into 2 sections. I don't have a comb, nor am I going to brush my hair right now because it's curly and I don't want to mess up the curls. So you're going to take both pieces of hair and you're going to put them like in top knots. That's really cute, guys. Anyway. What you can do is go out and find like twigs outside of your yard, and then you're just going to start to stick them in your hair. I don't know if I can do it with this brush because this is two-sided. You're going to start to stick them in your hair like this. Just take like 1 or 2 or 3 and just stick them on both sides, and that way you have your little antlers. It's a really cute way, cheap way also to do your hair for a deer. Another thing too is, I know my eyelashes aren't like big and fluffy and huge, but if I again was doing this for real, I would probably use fake lashes or something like this. This is like costume wear, and so you want your everything to be big and bold. Either you can just do like this and leave it that way, or you can put some lashes on. It's up to you. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you did, give it a thumbs up. And like I said before, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and click that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Ha, lipstick in my teeth. That would be embarrassing.